How to change country on your Hoop app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country on the Hoop app. So to do that, first of all, open the Hoop app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Hoop app account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon, which is right over here. Now you will be taken to the settings page where you can see the option country right over here. Simply tap on it. After that, it will provide you the list of all of the different countries. So if you find your country over here, you can simply tap on it. But if you don't, simply search for your country's name. Now once you've done that, tap on your country. And then as you can see, it is saying information's updated. So that was basically how you change your country on the Hoop app. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.